Hello and welcome back guys. We will draw the lavender flowers. Take a black sheet and draw the green stems on it using the brush. Then using the earbuds, make some dots using purple color to make the lavender flowers. Draw its leaves, make its vase, color it blue color and it's ready. Next, we will draw a very beautiful painting. Draw the stem and the flowers using green sketch pen. Then using the earbuds, touch the water in it so that it will spread. Then do same with the brown color to make the ground. And then using black pen, mark the designs on it as we are doing. Make some butterflies and bees around it using the earbuds. Make their eyes and body. And your beautiful painting is ready. Next, using the pressing sponge material, draw the cactus plant using 3 multiple colors. Then make the soil using brown color. Then make the flowers using red, orange and pink color. Then using earbuds, prepare its bottom part and your beautiful cactus plant is ready. Next, we will make a red chili. Draw the red color on the brown chart paper. Then draw its leaves and stem using green color. Stick its eyes, make its mouth and then make a fire coming out of its mouth. Then using the green color, we will make the grasses. Spread it using the brush and it's ready. Next, we will make a very beautiful peacock. First, draw the lines using green color and blue color and spread it using the toothbrush as we have done. Now, after making its body, we will draw its eyes, draw its beak using white color pen, make designs on its feather using the sponge and your peacock is ready. Next, we will make very beautiful rose flowers. First, take an object whose top is like the flowers. Then using red color, press it on the white sheet as we are doing. Now using the brush, we will make its stems and leaves. First, take a earbuds and draw white dots on the flower. And then we will proceed with stems and leaves. Color it carefully. Don't let the green color enter the red one. Otherwise, it won't look good. Prepare its leaves and your flower is ready. Next, we will make very beautiful flowers. First, draw the green lines to make its stem and the leaf. Then using the earbuds, put pink and blue color together to make the flower. Now, using white color, give it a finishing touch. Using the fingertips, draw butterfly and the honeybees around them. Complete their body, draw the wings, eyes for both butterfly and the bee and your painting is ready. Next, we will make a very beautiful flower. Using the fingertips, take orange color on it and press it one by one as we are doing in this video. Carefully do this, otherwise it won't look good. It may look simple, but it's little bit need a technique. So after that, using a black marker, draw its stems and leaves. Then make some curvy lines near the stems. Then make some dots around it as we are doing in this video. Carefully mark the small line and dot. Give them finishing touch. You can make the flowers of your choice as well, like you can use different colors also, like you can use pink or the red color. It will look good. You can also give them the multiple colors touch like white and orange and it's ready. Thanks for watching.